Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 5. So today is looking so great, and seriously I do not feel motivated to do anything, but it is what it is. I have to go out there and get things done, and I'll possibly have lunch with my brother. So I'll take you through how my day goes and I will see you later. So I am now at IKEA and I just need to get something to eat before I start my shopping adventure. Okay guys, I think I'm all done with today's shopping, so I'm off to do school runs. I'll see you when I get home and I'll show you the things I got. I got really exciting stuff. I'll show you when I get home. See you in a minute. Okay, beautiful people, I'm back to the house and I got some really nice stuff for decorating our tree. So I got this tree skirt. This is really nice and very fluffy. So it's gonna go under the tree. Okay. And then I got the Christmas stocking. So we're just gonna be adding bits into it. Really nice, and I like the fact that it jingles. I got 4 of those. So we're gonna fill it up over time until Christmas. So that's 4. Okay. What else did we get? I got bath bombs. The girls have been asking me, so I got them bath bombs. It's 1 and 2. I got this large bowl for the tree. That is so nice. What else did we get? Is this not cute? This is so cute. And you remember the decoration on the door outside is actually a Minnie Mouse theme, so that actually cuts it. Really nice. I'm really excited about the day we're gonna decorate it. Just look at that. So cute. Very demure. What else did we get? And then I got this. So it's a mixture of big and small, which is actually really nice. Yeah. And this, we're going to put that outside the door. That's really nice. And it lights up as well. It's got the thing there. So I'm not sure if it's got the battery in, but yeah, we'll put the battery. And it says, Santa, please stop here. Really, we've been good this year, so Santa should consider stopping in our house. And also I got this decorating kit for the girls. So if we make gingerbreads and stuff, they could decorate it. And yeah, what else did we get? I got this to wash for washing my pots. So you could just put the washing liquid inside. I think you twist it to open. Not sure how this works, but you pull it. Yep. Okay. You twist, put this washing liquid there, and then when you need to wash, you just squeeze it, and then it comes out. Okay. And that is it. And a table runner. Really nice. So yeah, that's how my day went. I am so exhausted. I made some pepper soup last night, so I think I'm gonna have that for dinner today. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, like it, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you on day 6. Thank you so much, and I love you. Mwah!